Hi friends, I hope you all are fine and having a great time by virtue of Almighty. I had learned somewhere it's not about having a lot of money, but rather knowing how to manage it. It's an art. Heaved a sigh of relief when I found that people right from the starting of my first video they want to update them with more financial moves. During this tough time of pandemic 2020, people are having major threat and are under pressure of losing business. They are looking up to financial consultants who can be an eye opener and hold them. And so I comprehend my mind and decided to come up with a channel of mine. I hereby feel need to elaborate to you all to give more authenticity to my words because some of you might be suspecting why me. I cannot comment, rather, my financial experience will let you know more about my financial portfolio. I started my professional career as a management graduate and having a retail experience of 15 years through many third generation banks. My career was very attractive. I had joined as a teller and has reached to a level of cluster head managing 11 retail branches in the vicinity. During this, I had learned many financial scenarios, financial transactions, and how to nail them during odd and even times. Without extending much, I hope now you can understand me much well. I get motivated during my career and now I own a financial consultancy to take care of the most sensitive part of people's lives, that is finance. With this experience of mine and feedback from my customers, I would keep you posted on the changing scenarios during these harsh times so that you can take a wise and intelligent decision regarding your finances. I am optimistic, so believe that ray of hope is always there. So reiterate all my viewers to keep me posted and subscribe through my YouTube videos. I'll take this as your never-ending love and trust for me. With this, I put end to my words and want you to stay home and safe because as per my perspective, the coming months will be very, very tough. Thank you. Stay safe.